In the southern region of Turkey, the heroic Maras, a French general, intoxicated with the euphoria of conquest, sauntered through a bustling bazaar. His gaze fell upon veiled Turkish women, symbols of the once mighty Ottoman Empire. He halted, addressing them with an overbearing command, claiming that their empire had crumbled, they now fell under his domain, and they should shed their veils. The women rebuffed him, defending their customs and traditions, a defiance that did not sit well with the general. He reached out to remove a woman's veil with his own hand. In this bustling marketplace, a milkman named Imam Sutku was observing the scene. The sight of this affront ignited a spark within him, a spark fueled by his integrity and honor. Like a cheetah, he pounced, snatching the general's pistol and bringing him down to the ground. A crowd gathered around the milkman's shop. The word spread, and from this act of defiance, a powerful movement was born. Imam Sutku, the humble milkman, assumed leadership of the movement. Overnight, he transformed from a simple milkman into a beacon of freedom. In a short span of time, he liberated the entire region of Maras from French colonial rule. The milkman became a national hero, a symbol of Turkish resilience and pride. Statues were erected in his honor along the highways, a testament to his bravery. The tale of the milkman began to be taught in Turkish schools. Today, a university has been established in his name, the Imam Sutku University, and numerous agricultural institutions, organizations, schools, and NGOs bear his name. History remembers the brave, not the deceitful. This story is a testament to the power of ordinary people, to the men and women who rise in times of adversity to defend their land, their traditions, and their honor. It is a story of resistance and resilience, a story that continues to inspire and motivate generations of Turks. It is a reminder that heroes can come from the most unexpected places, that a simple milkman can become a symbol of national pride and freedom. It is a story that holds a special place in the heart of Turkey, a story that will continue to be told for generations to come.